let's talk about Nomad's new Card Wallet Plus. What's up everyone, it is Andrew here on Twitter at Andrew_OSU. And this is the third in the series of videos I'm putting out on Nomad's new wallet line. Nomad has introduced 3 new wallets. There's the Card Wallet Plus, and their new bifold wallet. 3 new wallets that all are using pretty similar features, and it just really depends on what you want to hold in your style of wallet. Of course, Card Wallet, pretty simple, just a standard little pocket wallet there to hold up to 10 cards. Then you have your bifold, which is the biggest of the bunch. It has the most pockets and space in there for your cash and everything else that you're carrying around. And then in this video, we're looking at that Card Wallet Plus, which is a little bit bigger than the regular card wallet that can hold just a little bit more, a few more cards and a little bit more cash than the card wallet can. So depending on what you're looking for, Nomad should have an option that suits you. So looking at this wallet, it of course comes in a nice little suede microfiber bag that you can save and use for something else, or just want to use for storage in between wallets. The new wallets are all still using Horween leather on the outside, and they look brilliant. They come in both black and brown, so choice is yours. The big feature here, other than just a general redesign, is they're now using what they call thermoformed leather. So there's actually kind of a shell on the inside, and they've thermoformed this leather around it. So they kind of pre-stretched it. So all the corners are like, nicely beveled out there, which makes it really easy to put things in and out of your wallet. Seriously, I love this feature. This is great, and I really want to see more wallets adopt something like this. It's just incredibly cool how they did this, and it makes it really easy right out of the gate to start using it. It feels like it just has a little bit more space in there and isn't so tight right out of the packaging. Now, this guy has 1 card slot on the outside, perfect for your IDs, business card, maybe a little bit of cash. Then if you open it up, you have 1 other easy to access one. For me, I think I would probably put like cash on the outside or business cards, then put my ID on that 1 big card slot on the inside, and then put my commonly used credit cards on the other side. If you have any other cards you want to carry with you, you can tuck behind because there are pockets on either side of those flaps. Quite a bit of storage in a pretty compact wallet. As a bonus, if you're interested in tracking your wallet, Nomad has a new option for you. They introduced Card for AirTag, and basically it's just this plastic shell for AirTag that you snap your AirTag into, and then you put it into your wallet. Then you can always keep track of it. And with iOS 15, you can even get tracking alerts if you leave your wallet behind. So if you head to a restaurant or you're leaving work and you walk away without your wallet, AirTag will get an alert on your iPhone and Apple Watch that you left your wallet back there. It's really handy so you don't ever lose your wallet, again. So if you want to pick that up, that is up on pre-order, shipping in September. But if you pre-order at the same time as you buy a wallet, Nomad's going to knock $5 off the total purchase price of your wallet and your card for AirTag. So just something else to kind of keep in mind. Anyway, I love these new wallets. They've done a great job in improving their features. They all feel nice. The stitching around them is fantastic. I've used Nomad wallets for years. It's actually my go-to passport wallet that I use. I really have my passport in here. Just use this on a trip to Iceland, and it's great. So I've always used a Nomad wallet, and it's been time for an upgrade for a little while now. So I'm pretty stoked on these new guys. I love that thermoformed leather. It's going to be great. And of course, Horween leather just develops a beautiful patina the more that you use it. So I'm stoked for these guys. If you want to grab one for yourself, I've got links for you down below in the description. Pick them up. Let me know what you think over on Twitter at Andrew_OSU. And stay tuned. I've always got more videos coming your way.